Hi, and welcome back to A Couple of Kiddos. I'm Tim.
I'm Clarissa.
And this is Travis. Today we're over at the Roseville Comic-Con.
Yay!
Yeah, so we're excited to go see what a Comic-Con entails. So we have never been to one before.
I'm sure we're going to spend too much money.
Yes, so come along and see what kind of things we can find. And we're in. It is big. Holy moly. What to look at first? That's a big room.
Where do we even start?
Where do you want to go? Should we go with the flow?
We should go this way.
Go with the flow? Alright. Look at those. Mega Man blaster. And I found some pop Funkos.
Oh my god, it's Dapper Dan.
Yes, it is the Dapper Dan.
Dapper Dan with my favorite.
Old video games. What? N64s. Look at those. Awesome. Birthday. Too cool. Wow.
I have a figure like this. It says old my dad was an old like that.
Yeah, I saw that. Oh, hey! Oh, wait, no, this is the right one.
I saw something here and I got one.
That's the whole
Are you kidding me? This thing is awesome.
That's for
Look at this droid. Hello, hello. That's cool. Look at these patches. These are cool. They're cool. Neat. Mjolnir. Come on, you got it. Come on. Let me see. Oh, yeah. It works for me. Must be Thor. Too cool. A little furry. So many toys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. The no neck one. I love it. What'd you find?
We got Splash Mountain.
Oh my gosh, Splash Mountain.
This one? Haunted Mansion?
Oh, and
Small World?
Small World. Are you kidding me? Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah, Jerry Safari too.
What? Oh, sorry. Here you go.
it's the ride.
Yeah. No, this is all like Disney.
Oh my god.
Wow. Neat.
I might go back for these.
Oh my gosh, look at all the dad hats. Oh boy.
Oh no,
These are cool.
and Vicky.
What? Dinosaur ones. And it looks like they even have our favorite food truck. Drewski's famous grilled cheese and more.
I love their Hemi. Have
Yes.
mac and cheese and pulled pork inside.
It's gonna be good. We'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I got a bacon wrapped hot dog and Drewski's mac and cheese. Clarissa got the Hemi, which is the pulled pork and mac and cheese.
And grilled onions.
Grilled onions. Oh, it is amazing. And then some garlic tater
They're
tots.
super garlicky.
Yes. Yeah. So good. We'll let you know how it tastes. And welcome back.
We made it home and we have some stuff to show you.
Yes, we're excited to show you all the cool things that we got over at the Roseville Comic Con. By the way, it's Roseville Comic Con brought to you by the Sac Anime.
Yeah.
Yes, forgot to mention that earlier. So why don't you go first? We're excited to show off some of these Disneyland related items that we got.
Yeah. So I'm so excited. I found a few little posters. I can still find them. The first poster I found that
Why don't
they're all
you
falling.
Give me those. There you
The
go.
first poster I found, Small World. Oh my god. I can't wait to find a place to hang these. We have too much art. And then another one of my favorite rides, Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh yes.
That one's really cool. I like how it says wet on the bottom. W-E-D.
Oh yeah. And then one of my all-time favorites, oh, the Haunted Mansion. I love it.
Yeah,
Yada,
Madame Leora
the
as
Hatbox goes. And the hitchhiking goes in the background. Yes,
I like how she's the moon there.
I love it. Love, love, love. And of course, we had to get this since they're going away. Splash Mountain. Gotta get something of Splash Mountain before it goes away. I can't wait for it to be Princess and the Frog, but you know, I gotta remember this from my childhood.
Yep.
And then Tim got some stuff too.
Yes. So both these items were kind of briefly shown in the video. Let's start with this one first. The first one I got was some pops that I haven't seen before. So these, I'm not sure what year they're from, but this is the Rancor, Luke, and Slave Ula set. It looks like the Rancor is a bobblehead. And I got a great deal on this. Box is kind of worse to wear, but I take it out of the box anyway. So they were asking 20 and I got for 15. So $5 a pop. So pretty cool. I love that. And let me quickly take it out for you.
Well, I've taken that out. I didn't tell you what I got them posted for. I got them for $5 each, which I think is a great deal.
Yeah.
Great. But gotta find some frames for it. Probably put some above our bed and probably above our TV. We'll find somewhere.
Okie doke. So let's start with Slave. Oh, you know what? They're all bobbleheads. What? Alright, so here is Slave Ula. She was too cool. I love that green on her. And it looks like she comes with a little foot stand. And this one is actually a double peg, which is nice.
Yeah. I hate that they always fall off those single
pegs. She
pegs.
has skinny little feet, so that's pretty much a must for her. So awesome, love that. And then here is Luke, and he has the bone that he tosses in the Raincore's mouth. That is too cool. I love the little bobblehead. That's really neat. You usually see the bobbleheads on the bigger guys nowadays, so it's pretty cool. And then we got this behemoth. Oh my god. He is heavy. Wow, look at that Raincore.
Look at those teeth. I can bite the finger off.
Oh, awesome. He's got his chain. Oh, wow. Yeah, this guy is amazing. So happy to add it to my collection. I've got so much Star Wars Pops now, I'm going to just have to start a whole Star Wars shelf.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially
getting out of control.
The second item I found is this Boba Fett. So, this guy was being asked for $100.
Yeah, $100.
So, being at a swap meet, Comic-Con, I asked to see if he would be willing to wiggle room. I talked him down all the way down to 40. So, wonderful deal on this. So, I looked it up. It looks like this was a Target exclusive from 2004. So, almost vintage. So, that's 16 years old. So, I think I'm going to keep the little box for it. Obviously, I want to take it out and display it. But since it is so vintage, I may want to kind of hold on to it. And it looks like it comes with this really, really neat poster inside. So you can kind of see this really neat artwork in there. What struck me is just the quality of the sculpt. That turned out amazing. I love the action pose. He's jetting out of the Sarlacc pit. You got the tentacles, the explosion going on, him shooting down. And this is pretty big, so super happy to get that for $40. And I think that was a huge score. So
another Star Wars thing.
Another Star Wars thing, yep, another collection item. And then Clarissa got what I think is one of the best finds of the entire Comic-Con.
I love it. I can't wait to show you guys.
Yeah, so story behind this is that we went to a booth where this gentleman was selling some of his wife's exclusive D23 merch that
I don't know if this one's a D23.
Yes, but so that's what drew us. So we found some figurines, some Mickey stuffed animals, and then it had this item.
Are you ready? Are you ready to see it? It's Cogsworth, and it's a working clock. It actually works. He is so adorable.
Isn't that awesome? This little chest opens up.
Yes. The back just
and he's a heavy duty guy.
Yeah, he's pretty heavy.
A thick, hard resin, kind of like what a Jim Shore may be made out of.
It's so adorable.
Yeah, great price on this one too. We ended up talking him down to how much?
I think it was 65.
65, and we got it for like 55. Yeah, awesome deal on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is my favorite find we found.
Yes, that's wonderful. Mine too.
Down gently.
Yes. And that completed our little haul. Obviously, we left off on where we were eating over at Drewski's. So I had the hot dog and the mac and cheese, and then you had the Hemi
sandwich.
Yes.
And the tater tots. So the Hemi sandwich was good as always. I get it every time I see that truck at any event in like our area. And the tater tots were like the perfect crisp. Like I just could not stop eating those tater tots. They were just perfectly crispy.
Yeah. One of our favorite food trucks in Sacramento. So.
Yes. What did you think about your food?
I loved it. Yeah, mine was bacon wrapped. It had some sort of aioli on it, and the mac and cheese was that homemade style, so to die for. It was really great.
Delicious, delicious.
Yeah, and then we just did want to do a little bit of a recap on the giveaway that we're doing for our 100 subscriber special. Yeah. Go over the rules for us.
So again, the rules. I'll put the description. I mean, the video in the description below, so you can find the video.
And the rules will be down there too for you.
So you have to be 18 years or older, a U.S. resident. You have to publicly subscribe to A Couple of Kiddos.
Yes.
And comment your favorite Disney couple. And then after that, if you want a bonus entry, you go to Instagram at A Couple of Kiddos.
There you go.
And you have to follow us there and tag one friend and write your favorite Disney couple in the comments on that one as well. So good luck with that.
Yeah, great. Good luck, everybody.
It's coming up soon. We got like a little over a week.
And that's on the 8th.
8th.
Yep. And we'll be doing live streams, so look out for that.
Yeah, I'm scared to do the live stream.
It'll be cool. I'm excited.
It'll be so much fun.
And again, thank you for joining us for A Couple of Kiddos.
Have a great day.
Bye.